So let's talk about your pages now. Click on Pages. So this is every page on the website. WordPress is a web application, and on top of the web application we have the Enfold theme, and the Enfold adds a lot of functionality to WordPress, and one thing that it adds is this Avia layout builder. So when you add a new page, let's call this test page, and we'll publish it here. You have this button. First thing you see is this button. So by default you see kind of the same WordPress style editor that you saw under posts, but Enfold adds this advanced layout editor. So we click on that. What you get is basically a drag and drop layout system. So whenever you use this system, always start by dragging a color section on, and then these are columns. So if I want to have a 2/3 and a 1/3 layout, I could drag out a 2/3 column and a 1/3 column. And then inside of the 2/3, maybe I want to put a text block. And inside of the 1/3, maybe I want to put an image. So you can see I'm just dragging these on here. So if I click on this one, then I have this WYSIWYG editor. And I can put in the content from a Word document or from wherever the content's coming from. Just save it. And here it's asking me to insert an image, so click on that image. It'll take me to the media library. I have the option of uploading a new file, which I can just drag it out. I can just drop a file onto anywhere on the screen here and it'll upload it, or I can go to my media library and select an image from here. And then there's a number of different settings here. And the thing that's nice about WordPress is it explains right next to each one exactly what it does. Okay, so here we're going to have this drop in from left to right. We're going to make it right justified. I'm going to go ahead and link it. So I'm going to link it to a page, and we'll link it right to James Porter's page, and we'll have it open in the same window. And as you can see, WordPress is very good about explaining each of these settings. So save it here, update there, and I can go up to the top bar here to view the page, and that's how easy it is to create the layout. So let's go back and just look at some of our other pages. So if you click on pages, you get a list of all the pages. Again, you can do an edit or a quick edit. Quick edit gives you these options: title, slug, date, etc. If you want to edit, then you get this Avia layout builder, and you can see, here's the business transactional group. There's a text box here, a horizontal rule, another text box. These are linked, so here's the link and unlink functionality. So it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple to make changes. Here's the attorney's page. We used a masonry gallery in this case to create this page here. And basically I've added all the images to the gallery by clicking here and dragging and dropping. I can move them around by just dragging them. How many images to display per page? I've just got that set up high. Display pagination flexible masonry with a large gap. It gives me this white space between the images. So you can just mess around with some of these Settings. A lot of these you won't ever have to change, but that's pretty much how easy it is. You have columns you have 3 tabs here. Layout elements are columns. Content elements are things like text block, white space, or horizontal rule. Heading, an icon, a button. Team members, portfolio grid, a contact us form, which I think we've used here. That's what a contact us form looks like. Testimonials, progress bars, etc. Media elements, there's images, video, a slider, which just is a number of images that slide from one to the next. You can add a map. I think we've used that under your locations page. So here's the map functionality right there. But again, you can just play around with some of those and check out how they work.